Do you want to turn off disappearing messages on Messenger? You can disable Vanish mode in Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off disappearing messages on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Turning off disappearing messages on Messenger is disabling the feature of automatically deleting messages after a set period of time. When disappearing messages are enabled, any message sent in that conversation will vanish after the specified time limit. To turn off disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, go to the conversation where you want to turn off disappearing messages. From the chat conversation screen, tap the name of the person at the top of the conversation to open the settings menu for that chat. Now, scroll down to the Privacy and Support section. Here, you will see the Disappearing Messages option. Tap on it. A new screen appears. From here, choose Off to disable disappearing messages. Once you select Off, disappearing messages will be turned off for that specific chat conversation. You and your friend can enable it at any time. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off disappearing messages on Facebook Messenger.